ئەمساڵ بەشدار بێتن لە پێشبڕکێی نێودەوڵەتی بیرکاریی IMC International Mathematics Competition کە ساڵانە ئەو پێشبڕکێ لە وڵاتی تایلاند دەکرێتن. ئەمساڵ 115 وڵات بەشدار بوو و 13632 قوتابی بەشداری تیا کرد.
My name is Ali, and I'm a student in Ishik High School. In this year, I participated in IMC, which is an international math exam over the world. And alhamdulillah, I managed to get gold, all thanks to my teachers and my school.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hatim Muqdad. I'm a student in Ishik Boys High School. This year, I participated in the IMC, which is an online international math challenge. Alhamdulillah, I managed to get gold thanks to my school and thanks to all of my teachers.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mazin. I've always had a desire to participate in math Olympiads, and this year I did. With the help of my teachers and the support of my parents, I participated in IMC, and I got the golden place. First, I would like to thank the help of Allah and my teachers and the support I got from my parents. I usually go with my teacher after the class and discuss about topics that are outside of the curriculum, which helped me give me new ideas about topics that have came into the questions that we haven't studied before.
Hello guys, my name is Bilal. I'm from 4th grade. I'm so happy that I joined this competition. Thank you for my parents and teacher. Now today I'm going to show you how did I get gold medal. I study every day for hours and now today I get gold medal. Bye.